she has to also change here into the acceptance criteria, right? Like now she has to mention here that like given I am navigated to the base URL, then when I close the pop-up and I click on, then the like she can follow the steps of the to buy the product, right? So this is the basically this is the you can say the drawback of to write down the scenario based acceptance criteria. But the advantage is that yeah, you can mention them into the acceptance criteria step by step. So by reading your acceptance criteria, they can easily understand that what is going on. They can follow you the steps and they can execute. Whoever will write the user, whoever will read the user stories.
Um, from the e-commerce, I just followed exactly. I mean, we don't really have a lot to search there. The minute I
Mhm.
type like band, not even bands, it pops up. That's all. Only that thing. That's why the next thing was,
Yeah,
and
yeah. So that's the thing I said that you have to mention here also. Like I'm navigated to the base URL when I click on the search. That one is not the first. You can click on the search bar also. I click on the search bar and I type or I put or I search for the pant or I search for the t-shirt, I search for the mobile, okay, or I search for the product, and you can just give the
right.
product name there. Then I click on the search icon, and um, then I navigated. Then I navigated to the search result page. Okay, and
Mhm.
I click on the product. I click on that product card, and I click I set the address, and I click on the what it calls the payment method, like and payment method, like if you put the cash on delivery, then you put the cash on delivery, and then I submit, click on the submit order. It should show me the order summary. It should navigate me into the order summary page. So
I
this is
see.
the, like as I said, if you write down the acceptance criteria scenario based, then you have to mention every steps.
Mhm. I see.
Okay.
So right
uh
here, I'm creating the order. It's not like I'm uh, sending okay to my order. So that would be like in coming up stories, in next steps.
okay, so this one is like creating the order means, okay, so if you are saying that creating the order, so it will be like the like if you create a order and if you don't submit it, then it will be in your cart list. Okay,
Oh, I
so
see.
so like create order, then where it will be stopped, like after searching the product, then click on that product, then what it will do, like it will okay, you said that, and I click on the product to add to cart, and I click on the proceed to checkout, and then I should be able to create my order on staging so that I can
I
buy.
sorry, I just take 5 second interruption. Sorry.
Okay.
If you guys want to write a good the graphical user interface means website, the user story with the right naming, right wording, then the best is remember go to the automation.ts4.us. You have to mention the button precisely. They have a different naming, and that's the where you will be the best of it. Like I should see a model, see the small bar, I should see the progress. This is every web element has a specific industry name. A good product owner in their user story, they actually call them specific and name so that everyone can understand, because based on your naming, the developer will be developing. For the front end developer, I mean, backend is okay, backend is all, it's a different ball game, but the front end you need to just tell the specific naming to follow the web element naming convention. Thank you. Okay, sorry, go ahead, continue.
Okay.
So my story should end with like I have added it to my after creating it, I have added it to my cart. I mean,
Then like you can write here like then you can write here like as a user I should be able to as a buyer I should be able to cart a product. So to cart the product, you have to follow this. But it's little bit confusing that like here you say that then I should be able to create my order. So this one is like I'm confusing here.
How should I and can you just fix that last one for my understanding so that I do it with the other
So
stories?
so last one is it depends on you which what you want to accomplish. So like here I said um like you said that as a buyer I should be able to cart a product. Okay. So
Mhm.
if you want to cart, then just to complete the cart, whatever you have to do or to cart a product, just write down those steps. Okay. And here I
Mhm.
can see that, and I click on the proceed to checkout, and I click on the product to add to cart. Then I should be able to view the product, or I should be able to get the message, or I should be able to view whatever it shows. I forgot. So that thing you can write that okay, I should be able to view that the product is added to my cart list.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you don't need to mention the next two lines because next two line is mention. I mean, showing the different things that from the card you are just buying the product. Okay, so that you can say that another user is that as a buyer, I should be able to buy a product from my cart list. Okay,
Okay.
so then here there you can write down that yeah okay first you adding the card or as it's already into the card list and you just add into the prerequisite that the product should be into the your cart list. Okay, that will be your prerequisite, so you don't need to write down all the steps to add a product into the cart list. You don't need to write all the steps. You just simply navigate to your base URL, then click on the cart icon from the right top. It's maybe into the right top. So then you just then click on the product, like proceed to checkout, then just follow all the steps to buy that product.
And I was thinking that the last line is supposed to match with my objective or whatever my title is. It should match with that. That's what I was thinking. Then should I
Yeah,
keep
got it.
that as it is or change that? Should I change over there or just keep it?
So you can, as I said, you can just change from your from the title first. Okay, then just update some information here. Okay, anyway, so okay, and you brought the like API specification. Scroll down.
This is like
Okay.
long, long one. You see, like 9, 10
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah. Okay.
Go down or
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, you can close it. Close this. Go to the next one. Okay, as a buyer, I should be able to add shipping address and mobile number on staging ecom.textforyu.com. You don't need to mention every time that on staging ecom.textfor.com because you are working on in this project already. So you don't need to mention this
so
on
say
every user story.
website.
Uh, Sorry.
Should I just say website or e-commerce? Make it short.
You can simply just say that I should be able to add shipping address and mobile number. That's it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You don't need to mention that you are working on this thing because you are already working in this project and this um so it's fine. Okay, objective as a buyer, I should be able to add shipping address and mobile number on staging account except for again you don't need to mention this. Okay, it's missing that so that what you want to oh, get the outcome. So as a buyer, I should be able to add shipping address and mobile number so that I can purchase or I can buy a product to use my address and the mobile number.
I see. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then prerequisite is buyer should have a browser and internet connection access. I mean internet access. Buyer should be logged into stagingecom.exceptforyou.com. Okay. Then dependency. Okay. The user is still 29. Acceptance criteria given. I am navigated to proceed to checkout of e-commerce website. When I click on the add